More than 5,000 kilometers as the crow flies and roughly 60 degrees Celsius separate the two filming locations, but in both places the Taycan Cross Turismo, the first all-electric cross utility vehicle (CUV) from Porsche, conquers identically set courses. The aerial precision of the drone pilot is what allows the gripping splicing of the shots between ice and desert. The film was directed by Los Angeles-based Nicholas Schrunk, who won an Emmy for the documentary Blood Road. He's a master of the craft of accentuating emotional stories with spectacular stunts. A hot air balloon glides over seemingly endless forests of pine. A sports car is drifting in the snow. Between the two, a drone slices through the air, before it swoops down dramatically and captures the car at breakneck speed. A winter landscape? The eye can scarcely apprehend how the flight maneuver suddenly transitions to a desert. The music underscores the dynamic acts of cinematography and driving like a symphony of contrasts. The locations provide the extremes in this action film: snow in Finland, desert sands in the United Arab Emirates. The protagonist is the Porsche Taycan Cross Turismo.
Subscribe to Auto TV.